Welcome to the Vision WT training. In this module we'll be going through the left hand side element of the Easy Publish Administration interface, and this is the menu, the expanding menu. What we'll do is we'll go through each of the elements: view, edit, copy, copy subtree, move, remove, the advanced tab, expand, collapse, add to bookmarks, and add to my notifications. The first thing we need to know about the left hand side menu is that it has lots of different features within it. The first feature it has is the different icons, and as you can see, if you click on the plus side, each different type of class generally has its own icon. A link will have its own link look, an article will have its own article look, and a folder will have its folder look. Also, media files, etc. will also have their own looks as well. Now, the most powerful thing about the left hand menu is that it's got content sensitive menus. This means that what you can do is you can click on the actual icon and get up a selection or an item which you can then change. So if we go through here, and if we were to say latest news, we wanted to edit latest news, we could just click on the icon, come up to there and click and edit. This would then take us through to the edit screen, where we can make a change from us today, scroll down to the bottom, hit send for publishing, and our change has been made. So if we come down here, click on the menu, click on view, we'll be able to see that there's our change text. So it's quick and easy to make changes. So the next thing we want to have a look at is we want to have a look at the copy feature. What you need to do is select the particular item you want to copy, click on copy. This will bring you up with a menu showing you where do you want it to be copied to, and we actually want it to be copied to the links folder over here. So we're going to click the up arrow to move us up a directory level, and then we're going to select the links location and then click OK. And what we can see now is we have two latest newses. As they're copied, they're not connected in any way. And if we have a look at this one, we'll actually see that it contains exactly the same information as the other one. Now, the next copy we could do is copy subtree. Say we wanted to have the links tree below news. What we'd do is we'd select the context menu here, select copy subtree, and then select where we want it, and we want it below news. It takes a little bit extra time, and it's told us that it's actually copied 5 nodes and it's successfully completed. So we click OK, and as we can see on the left hand side now, we now have all of that content within there. We could now remove this information, or we can move it back. So we're actually going to remove this information for now. So if we click on remove, I'm not going to move it to the trash because I don't want it anymore. I click OK, and it's actually saying that it's going to move the 4 sub items, and it's got rid of them. So what that actually means is actual remove will actually remove absolutely everything, including all the items below. Moving back to move, if we wanted to move the latest updates from its links location into the news, we could actually click on move, move up 1 level, select news, click OK, and that will actually move the article from the links location, which has now disappeared, into a new location down here. Now what we want to do now is we want to have a look at the advanced. Maybe we want to hide that because we've made a change. We don't obviously want 2 latest updates, so maybe we want to hide it because we maybe want to do some work of it a little bit later. So if we click on hide, what that will do, if we move down to another node, is we'll actually see that that's actually graded out, and that means that it's hidden from the front end menu. So even though you can get to it in the administration system, you can't actually get to it from the front end menu. Now let's unhide it again. And there you go, the grey's gone, so now it's available to us. Maybe we wanted to swap a node around, so maybe this latest update we wanted to swap the link Easy Systems. What we would do is we would come to this node, select Advanced, swap with another node. Then what we'd be doing is we'd be shown a list of other nodes. So we need to find that node now, so we move up a level, and we then need to move down into the links location to find our Easy Systems, select the Easy Systems item, hit OK, and then what we see is you should see them swip around. Okay, so now we've seen that we've now got the Easy Systems location down the bottom, latest updates here at the top. Easy enough to swap them back. Come down Advanced, swap with another node, find the location we want to do, select the item we want to swap with, select OK, and there you go, they're flipped back. Now if we wanted to actually make some other areas within here, say expand, we can actually say expand all of the different levels within the content structure. And what that has done is that will go through and that'll expand. So if we were to say here, products, expand, we'll then go through and expand products. And again, we can come back here and hit collapse. Useful feature if you've got lots of subdirectories, not so useful if you just want to click the left hand menu, because obviously it's quicker to click on the plus and minus here. The next item on the menu is to add to my bookmarks. Now I've already seen this before, but if you come here and select the item that you want to have, so latest updates, add to my bookmarks, what that will do is actually add to the bookmarks over the side here. So we've already had that in there, so it's a duplicate. Again, if we wanted to get rid of that, we'd come here and remove from bookmarks. So let's find something that hasn't been in our bookmarks before. Say it's Easy Systems location. Click on the menu, add to bookmarks, and then that appears with its icon on the right hand side here. Now the last item in the menu is for updates, and this is if you wanted to receive an email if this had changed or if there's an item that's been added below it. Add to notifications. It's already telling us that this actually already has a notification available for it, so let's select another item, add to notifications, and there you go, notifications for node Easy Systems was successfully added. Then we click OK, and that then has been added to the notifications. So that's it, that's the left hand menu structure. It's a very, very powerful feature within Easy Publish. It has a great one-click menuing system to it that enables you to do all the features that you wanted to do that previously you may have had to have gone in and edit an article for. This is Tony Wood from Vision WT. Thanks very much.